Hi, I'm John with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember that anytime you work on an appliance, make sure that it is unplugged or the circuit breaker is turned off so there's no chance of electrocution. Today we're going to show you how to install a new defrost thermostat for your Frigidaire refrigerator. It's a really easy job that only requires a 1/4-inch nut driver, a pair of side cutters, a crimping tool, a lighter or a heat gun, and a few minutes of your time. When you open the package, you'll get one new defrost thermostat. The reason why you'd be replacing the defrost thermostat is if there's excessive frost in the freezer or if the freezer won't defrost. Start by opening the freezer door. We'll need to access the back panel in the freezer, which means we'll have to remove the food baskets and a few of the shelves. To be able to remove the back panel, you'll need to remove any shelf brackets that may be in the way. Use a 1/4-inch nut driver to remove the screws that hold the shelf brackets to the side of the freezer. The back panel will need to be removed, so use a 1/4-inch nut driver to remove the 4 retention screws. Then, remove the back panel from the freezer. The defrost thermostat mounts directly to the copper line. To remove the thermostat, simply pull it off. Cut off the wires to the old thermostat. Here's the old defrost thermostat next to the new one. If you already have the new part, great. If not, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install a butt connector on one of the wires coming from the defrost thermostat. Then, crimp it into place. Afterwards, install the other butt connector and crimp it. After both butt connectors are installed, put the shrink wrap tubing over each of the wires. Use a pair of wire strippers to remove the insulation from the ends of the 2 wires. Inside the freezer, connect the 2 wires from the wiring harness to the defrost thermostat. Both wires are color-coded, so be sure to connect them properly. Once the wires are crimped into position, use a lighter to melt the shrink tube around the wiring connectors. Afterwards, clip the new defrost thermostat onto the copper line. Once the new defrost thermostat is installed, you can reinstall the back panel. Reinstall the side brackets. Then install the glass shelf. Afterwards, reinstall each of the food baskets. Close the freezer door. And then reconnect the power cord, then the refrigerator should be ready for use. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. And be sure to check out our other repair videos on our website, on our Facebook page, and on our YouTube channel.